everybody. Welcome to my art room. My name's Carol and my art channel is called Carol's Art Room, my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a bloom with some American Floetrol as my cell activator. And I'm going to use a Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black as the cell activator. I tried it on some samples and it seems to work pretty good. So come and join me and watch how I do it. Welcome everybody. I'm going to do a bloom on this octagon wooden shape that I am going to pour over. I'm doing a bloom. In case you didn't know, it is one of my favorites to do. Couple of big ones there. Okay, I'm going to use some pretty colors. So I've got a Nightfall by this little piggy, and I have Sky Blue, which is a Pearl-X, and I have some gold, Amsterdam Light Gold, Lavender Frost, my favorite, and Ultramarine Blue. This could be Amsterdam Ultramarine Blue. So I'm gonna put down I'll put the Ultramarine Blue on the bottom. Such a pretty blue, isn't it? So brilliant. These are mixed with my pouring medium, which is in the description under the video. I have all my recipes there for anybody that needs to know. Okay. I think I'll put some Lavender Frost. It's a Deco Art Metallics, one of my favorite colors that I like to use. I use it quite a bit. Okay, I'm going to use a black cell activator, so I want to have light on the top. So this is the Nightfall. This little piggy. I'm just doing it in called a messy way. You can do it this way, or you can just do it in puddles. You know what? I got only a little bit left. I may as well put lots on. And now I have the gold and the blue left. I think I'll put the gold on the top. Now the cell activator today is going to be regular. Oh, oh dear. Big glob just went on there. Amsterdam. Not Amsterdam. Artist Loft Black Floetrol and regular Floetrol. Okay, let's put some gold down. The bigger your puddle, the less spinning, or it'll come out easier to the side. The less spinning you have to do, depending on the look you're going for. I don't like losing a lot of my cells, but you do have to stretch them a bit. All right, let's give this a try. This is my Artist Loft Acrylic 1 and 2 parts American regular Floetrol. Ooh, that's quite a bit. Gotta use my mini blower. See how this comes out. The white air bubbles are popping through. And the American Floetrol takes a bit longer for the cells to pop up. If I can blow this out a little more here. hold it up, see, well, I'll zoom you in. See, they're getting bigger here. Give it a few minutes to develop it. And there are some peacock cells in there too. That ultramarine really takes over. Holy moly. Trying to go one way and then go the other way. Okay, probably had a lot of white paint on here. A little too much ultramarine blue, I think, but it's okay. That's pretty there. Come this way a little bit. It's getting prettier. I almost got all my corners covered. I'll give it another spin. Oh, I think it looks really pretty. There's going to be a lot of shine in there, I think. Okay, I think I'm done. I'll hold it up for you. You can see the two colors of purple and the blue in there, and the other two blues, three colors in there. It's really nice. I love it when that happens. So yeah, the Artist Loft Floetrol Black works as a cell activator with American Floetrol, 2-to-1. And it should be thinner than your other paints. Try it on a little sample size first before you waste all your paint. That's what I like to do, and then I know. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it. And one more little white bubble here. Thanks for coming by for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, give the cell activator a try if you have Artist Loft Black Floetrol. It's the one that comes in the big bottle, like this. Save some of your Amsterdam. It works. I usually use Amsterdam black oxide or lamp. But this works with the American Floetrol too. I'm getting low on my Australian Floetrol, so I'm going to try and save it. So thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye. Can you see that? Oh, there you go. Hi everyone. Here's the results of my bloom with my regular Floetrol cell activator. Tried really good. Lots of shine. Yeah, I like this one. Pretty blues. A little bit of purple in there too. There you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.